Hey everyone, so I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to get started with CASSI. Just a quick 60, 70 seconds of creating your first post. So let's jump in. So I have an idea already of kind of what I want to write about today. I want to specifically talk about the lessons that we learned during our beta period from 20 first time users after interviewing them. Something along those lines. Like that's what I want to talk about. I can add in a little bit of extra detail for this. So maybe like what did I find? Found out something to do with like ease of use, making it more simple than before, making the posts sound more like users. And then what was a third thing that we discovered? And then lastly, letting the user guide the AI to create a post. I think that's good enough for now. Let's see what happens and what it comes up with. So right now it's just going to be analyzing our LinkedIn page. So the CASSI LinkedIn page at getcassi.ai. It will be looking at our past posts, and through the onboarding experience, it would have gathered some basic data from us, like who your target audience is, how you sound, and who you want to be going after. And then it will come up with a post that sounds a little bit like you. And as you post a little bit more, you'll learn a little bit more about you. The more active you are on LinkedIn, the more info it will have to create that perfect voice of yours. So let's have a look. So what have we got here? So we can see beta testing is a gold mine of insights. I quite like that as a good hook. We just wrapped up interviews with 21st and CASSI users. Why did we like that? Yeah. Here are the top 3 lists that are shaping our product. Simplicity is king. Completely true. Your voice matters. We fine-tuned AI to capture a unique tone. Better than ever, your push should sound like you, not a robot. Yep. You're in the driver's seat. We're adding more user controls so you can guide it. Yes, this is all completely true, and it's all sounding really, really nice as well. Yes. So, yeah, one thing I would like to add is the hashtags. It seems to have missed them off, but that's not a problem. Let's add in hashtags at the end of text. Let's do our favorite one is made with CASSI. And then I'll give it some freedom. Insert 4 other hashtags. Spelling is great as always. Okay, so let's see what we've got here. Made with CASSI, AI content creation, user feedback, product improvement, beta testing. Awesome. I like the sound of that. Now let's have a look at the image. Not so happy with this, it's a bit boring. So I'm going to delete the image. I'm also going to change this to a 4:3 ratio. I prefer those. I'm quite happy with that for now. Let's generate a new image. And it will drop that down for us. Okay, let's have a look what we got here. I don't know what it's auto-generated. Yeah, I don't like any of that. Let's do something a bit more fun. Let's do, people flying around the sky or the cloudy sky with angel wings. Lots of people happy, soaring. serene, something like this. That's just, really basic image prompt. Try to position this a bit better. Yeah, I like that. That looks good enough. And yeah, I'm going to change the color a little bit. Go a bit brighter color. Go for like an orange, maybe it's a bit better. That's good. Just go here. Maybe there's a better color palette that we have as an option. Yeah, maybe we do this. This is a color palette. Let's change this. Give these a bit better. This color is good enough. And then I'm going to add in maybe a call to action on here. I'm going to change this to get to try free at get CASSI.ai. Yep, something like this. That looks good. Let's change the background color maybe to, just match it. Okay, so I'm generally pretty happy with this now. So I want to post this. Just come up to the top. I want to just double check that everything looks good. This all looks fine. I think I want to post it to LinkedIn. This is a bit of a better one for LinkedIn. And let's schedule this because it's a bit late now. So I want to select the date and I'm going to go for, let's do tomorrow, and let's change this to 10:15. That's the date that I want to do it at. And we're going to schedule that for later. Awesome. You can also publish it straight away or save it as a draft to LinkedIn as well. And then you can also, if you want to switch it for Instagram, we will actually post that one a little bit later in the day. So we're going to do 17:30. And we'll schedule that for tomorrow for Instagram. Which is perfect. And that's it. You've done your first post. It's all ready to go. Yeah. So thank you. Speak to you next time.